Okay, what's up guys? Aaron from UAVISUALS, and we're here at the Ungasan in Uluwatu Bali. And let me just give you a little tour of one of the villas. So this villa is called the Tamarama. Now the Tamarama, I think, has been home or guest of many celebrities, including actually Jennifer Hawkins. Yes, she got married here. So this is the inside. Have a look at this. As you walk in, there's this massive massive living room space here. It's just absolutely incredible, and you've got the view all the way down there of the water. So that's the cliff right at the end. It's about a 500-foot drop. And the whole thing is, you can just see this, it's just spectacular. On the right, we've got a dining room, nice formal dining. Let's make our way outside now. And check this out. Look at this view. Massive pool down here, some lounge chairs. Down there is old mate flying his drone. To the right, another little chill out area which you can have dinner and so on. Let's have a look down here. So to the right is the master bedroom. So the main building at the start has the master bedroom, the living area, and the formal dining. So this is the main bedroom. Imagine waking up to this every morning. Not bad, not bad. Behind here we've got some wardrobes, lovely bath, 2 basins, mirrors, etc. Toilet over there. Let's keep walking, keep cruising. Alright. So to get down from here, there's a set of stairs which we will take now. So each villa, well, this particular villa, there's 5 rooms or 5 smaller villas which have a double bed inside and obviously ensuite facilities. And then most of them also have a couple of pools, maybe. Well, this is the main pool for this villa. And then there's also another one right at the end near the cliff, which I'll show you in a minute. So directly underneath the living room upstairs, you've got this other really awesome like chill out area with a bar. So this is pretty handy for you know, if you're entertaining guests and whatnot. Pool's right there. Have a couple of cocktails. Check out some nice old school art on the wall. But how's the view? Look at that. That's incredible, isn't it? And then most of the villas also have like this little chill out or media room, which would be great for the kids. So this space in here is the media room. So massive couches, not so massive TV, but this is a nice spot to kind of lock the kids up while mum and daddy go play. Let me show you one of the rooms. I won't show you all the rooms because they're kind of same but different. So I'll show you the first one. So the first room on the left here, as we walk down the stairs. I mean, just take a look at that. Is that just the most craziest thing you've ever seen? So the style is very, very like bohemian. Lots of white walls, white doors in this villa. Some of the other ones have got a slightly different style, which I'll show you a bit later. Right, this is one of the rooms. So your guests can stay here. One of your guests. Let's move to the back. We've got a nice shower. Very simple, but very nice. And then another bathtub, 2 basins, mirror, another long mirror here. Wardrobe over here, toilet. on this side, and then we go back around to your master bedroom. So the view from this bedroom obviously goes straight into the view of the other bedroom over there. But yeah, that's why we've got curtains here. Nicely thought of, well done. All right. So as I mentioned, other villas on other sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is the big behemoth back there, which is the main building, the master bedroom, as you just saw. Oh, what's going on here? So we got Nick doing some stills, taking some photos, just sitting down, having a break. So Nick's taking some photos of this room, a quick sneak peek. So pretty much the same kind of style as the, slightly different, but with a master, a queen size, king size, a queen size, looks like a king size bed there. Bathroom, and what, can I just sneak past there? Yeah. Cool. No one's in the toilet. Ah! Who was that? So 2 basin sinks, bathtub, other way around, it's been flipped. But you get the idea. I'm not sure who that was. We've got Dino over here, getting some cool content. How'd you go?
Good.
Yeah, sent it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna get one more shot.
Sweet. So over here is another really nice chill out area, and you're overlooking the water, the beach, but also you've got a little plunge pool down here. How cool is this? You can have a little swim here. Can't really get to the beach unless you go all the way around, because there's like as I said, a 500-foot drop, and you just can't get there over on this side or on this property. That room that I was just in has a little balcony out here. So if you were to stay here, the 2 rooms I'd recommend would be that one or that one, because you've got the view of that every morning, every night, and also access to this pool. So that's the tour of the Tamarama at the Ungasan. Stay tuned, I'll take you through some other villas.
Okay, Aaron, I'm just gonna go
I'm done.
here.